Mind maps are popular tools for organizing thoughts, studying and brainstorming. But here is a problem. Most people are doing them wrong. Instead of enhancing their learning and creativity, they're ending up with cluttered, ineffective maps that do more harm than good. Imagine spending hours creating a mind map only to realize it hasn't helped you at all. Frustrating, right? It's like assembling IKEA furniture without the instructions. You end up with something, but it's definitely not what you were hoping for. Let's start with the common mistakes and how to fix them. First, overloading the map. Many people cram too much information into their maps, leading to cluttered and confusing visuals. To fix this, focus on key concepts and use keywords rather than full sentences. Limit each branch to 1 or 2 words to keep it clean and readable. This helps your brain process and recall information more effectively, avoiding cognitive overload. Think of it as trying to stuff an entire pizza into your mouth at once. Better to take it one slice at a time. Next, linear thinking. Treating mind maps like lists or outlines defeats their purpose. Embrace the radial structure of mind maps. Start with a central idea and allow branches to grow organically, connecting related concepts in a non-linear way. This mirrors the brain's associative process, enhancing creativity and memory retention. Remember, your brain is more like a web browser with 37 tabs open, not a single file queue. Another mistake is the lack of visual elements. Creating mind maps that are text-heavy and lack visual stimulation can be ineffective. Incorporate images, symbols, and colors. Use different colors for different branches to differentiate and highlight connections visually. Visual elements engage more parts of the brain, making the information more memorable and easier to understand. It's like adding emojis to the text message. Suddenly, it's much more expressive and fun. Lastly, ignoring personalization can make your mind maps less effective. Creating generic mind maps that don't resonate personally can be a problem. Personalize your mind maps with your own drawings, shorthand and notes. Make them meaningful and relevant to your own experience and learning style. Personal connections enhance engagement and retention, making the mind map a powerful tool tailored to your needs. It's like organizing your music playlist. You know it's better when it's filled with your favorite guilty pleasure and go-to jams. Mind maps can be a game changer for organizing thoughts and enhancing learning, but only if done correctly. Apply these suggestions and you will be amazed about the results. Now, let me know in the comments below about your thoughts about mind maps and struggles you had with them. Thank you for watching.